Do you have a long list of queries and reports that need to be updated every year, which might even include your cluster reports or embedded dataset row queries? Today, we're going to look at our entry term field and how we can use configurable joins to build an evergreen filter so that we don't have to update it every year. Let's build this together. We'll start our query on the configurable joins person base. We're going to add a subquery filter, and let's give it a descriptive name while we're at it. Next, we're going to add a join to field values from our initial person base. Now add a filter for field values ID. The ID that I'm using is entry_term for my entry term field, but we recommend checking the field editor tool if your Slate instance is using something different. Click Save. We're going to add another join, this time from field values to lookup prompt. This additional join allows us to pull in prompt data. We're going to add another filter for the prompt's active status. This is what makes the filter evergreen so that whenever you inactivate prior terms, they will automatically drop from your query or report results using this type of evergreen filter. Using the same concepts we just discussed, you can do something similar for queries and reports using the application base. Rather than filtering on any specific round, you can join to lookup round and lookup period. From there, you can filter on the specific round key and that the period is active. This will limit your results to applications in the current cycle and is helpful for things like application statistics or even your reader assignment queries. We hope you found this tip helpful, and be sure to subscribe to get notified whenever we release a new video.